This tutorial uses the UV HD glass-like film single line as an example, and also applies to other one-line UV films like the UV HD anti-reflective film. First, clean the phone screen. Then wipe the screen with a cloth. Remove the protective outer frame. Cut to small rectangular tabs from the release liner. Peel the film by rolling it downward. Attach the two tabs to the bottom of the film. For proficient operators, divide the frame's release liner into two parts without cutting. Then attach directly to the bottom of the film. Align the film by holding all four corners. Note: true reposition, lift the film by holding both tabs. Once aligned, gently press the film with the squeegee card. The film's adhesive layer removes residual dust. As shown in video, lift one edge while smoothly pushing forward with the squeegee in an arc shape. Repeat for the other side. Turn on the Smart UV Vacuum Applicator. Align phone camera with the machine slot. Press the UV curing button. The machine will begin curing. After curing, remove the top protective layer. Should any minor imperfections remain, gently buff them out using the squeegee card. Clean film surface with cleaner and cloth to prevent adhesive residue and maintain smooth feel. Installation complete.